Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into how to create and use Trello's task labels for task prioritization. First up, let's create a new label. Navigate to your Trello board and click on Show Menu. Select Labels and click Create a new label. Here, you can choose a name and a color for your label. The reason we do this is to create a visual cue that helps us quickly identify the priority of our tasks. Now that we've done that, it's time to assign these labels to tasks. Simply click on a card to open it, then select Labels. Choose from the labels you've created. This helps us because it visually organizes our tasks based on priority, making it easier to see what needs attention first. Next up, we're going to group tasks by labels. To do this, click on Show Menu, then Filter Cards. Choose the label you want to group tasks by. This is really helpful for seeing all tasks under a specific priority at once, keeping your workflow streamlined and focused. Now, let me explain why this matters. Without label prioritization, tasks can easily get lost in the shuffle, leading to missed deadlines or overlooked responsibilities. But with Trello's task labels, you can keep your tasks organized and ensure that your most crucial tasks are always front and center. All right, we're almost there. The final step is to use the labels to sort tasks. Click on Sort By and select Labels. This will rearrange your tasks based on the labels you've assigned. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Trello is using the labels to categorize your tasks, bringing the most important ones to the forefront of your board. And there you have it. That's how you create and use Trello's task labels for task prioritization. By using these steps, you can create a more efficient workflow and ensure that your most critical tasks are always visible and in order. Thanks for joining us today, and we'll see you in the next tutorial.